Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're blending tropical flavors with bold espresso to create a refreshing mango coconut iced espresso. Sweet mango, creamy coconut milk, and rich coffee come together for a vibrant café-style drink that's perfect for hot summer days, brunch gatherings, or an afternoon energy boost. Enjoy every sip. Ingredients: 2 shots freshly brewed espresso, cooled per cup ripe mango chunks, cup chilled coconut milk 1 tablespoon, mango puree 1 tablespoon, honey or simple syrup, teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup ice cubes, toasted coconut flakes. For garnish, fresh mango cubes. For garnish, mint leaves. Direction: begin by brewing 2 shots of espresso and allow them to cool slightly. While the espresso cools, blend the ripe mango chunks, mango puree, vanilla extract, and honey or simple syrup until smooth and creamy. Fill a tall serving glass with ice cubes. Pour the coconut milk over the ice, followed by the blended mango mixture. Slowly pour the cooled espresso over the back of a spoon to create beautiful tropical layers. For the best flavor, gently stir everything together before drinking. The rich espresso balances the sweet mango, while the coconut milk creates a smooth, creamy finish that's both refreshing and satisfying. Garnish with fresh mango cubes, toasted coconut flakes, and a sprig of mint if desired. Serve immediately with a reusable straw and enjoy this colorful cafe-inspired beverage that's perfect for summer mornings, afternoon pick-me-ups, or relaxing weekends. Thank you for watching. If you loved this mango coconut iced espresso, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious homemade coffee recipes. Leave a comment below with your favorite tropical coffee combination. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.